We'll guide you through how to use Claude Code tokens effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Claude Code tokens website. Once there, you'll need to log in with your account credentials. If you haven't registered yet, click on the Sign Up button and fill in your details to set up your account. After logging in, you'll see the dashboard where you can manage your tokens. On the dashboard, locate the Generate Tokens button, which is crucial for creating new tokens. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to choose the type of token you need. Select the appropriate option based on your coding requirements, whether it's for API integration or specific code functionalities. After selecting the type, enter any necessary details or parameters that the token might require. This could include specific access rights or expiration dates, depending on your project needs. Once you've filled in all the required fields, click the Generate or Create button. Your new token will be displayed, and you can copy it to your clipboard using the copy icon. It's important to store this token securely, as it grants access to your coding environment. If you need to manage existing tokens, go back to the dashboard and click on the Manage Tokens section. Here, you can view all active tokens, revoke any that are no longer needed, or regenerate them if necessary. Regularly monitoring your tokens ensures that only authorized processes have access, enhancing your project's security. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.